students, welcome to my YouTube channel Creative English Hub. In previous videos, we have seen explanation of poem, then it is followed by activity sheet. In this video, we will see appreciation of poem. This question carry 4 marks. Appreciation of poem, that is father returning home. First point is about poem, poet and title. So, Father Returning Home by Dilip Chitre. It is a biographical sketch of poet's father. This poem is taken from Traveling in a Cage. Traveling in a Cage, यहाँ से ये poem ली गई है. Dilip Chitre was a celebrated bilingual poet. Bilingual poet means who can write in 2 languages. And translator. Exile, alienation, self-disintegration and death are observed to be the major themes of his work. So that is about poem, poet and title. Now second point is theme. कि ये poem की theme क्या है? The poem focuses on the theme of alienation experienced by the aged in their twilight years. In their twilight years means when they became old. It draws a portrait of a suburban commuter, his dull, monotonous, exhausting and equally pitiable daily routine. Suburban commuter means who is daily commuting, कि वो अपने वर्क प्लेस में डेली आना जाना करते हैं. Suburban a place stands for outside the city, जो नया नगर है जिसको उपनगर बोल सकते हैं. So it explaining that theme of the suburban commuter, his daily life, aloneness, his pitiable condition in that daily routine. The poet talks about his father's loneliness and alienation from the man-made world. He has brought out the emotions of his father, who is isolated from his family as well as from the outside world. कि main theme इसकी यही है कि his father, he is isolated from his family, कि अपने family से भी बहुत दूर हो गए हैं, and he is isolated from outside world, कि बाहरी दुनिया से भी उनका कोई संपर्क नहीं रहा है. So what the conditions, mental stress he is facing, that is given in this poem. This poem describes the forced alienation at home, which is reflected through the stale food, कि वो बासी खाना खाते हैं. Lack of sharing, there is no one to share jokes and secrets with him. उनके पास में कोई बातचीत करने के लिए नहीं है. So it shows the forced alienation. Children refuse to share their joys and sorrow with hardworking father. He has painted the fatigue routine of his father in order to highlight the darkness and misery lurking inside his father's soul. Third point is poetic style. This 2-stanza poem has been written in the form of a dramatic monologue. It does not follow any rhyme scheme as it is written in free verse. ये poem free verse में लिखी है. Then next point is the language, poetic device. What language or what poetic device is used in this poem? The language used by the poet is very simple and straightforward, describing the loneliness, isolation experienced by man from the materialistic man-made world. The poet has used numerous figures of speech such as alliteration, paradox, personification, simile to beautify the poem. Suburb slide past his unseen eyes. It is an example of alliteration as the sound of S is repeated. Phrase unseen eyes is self-contradictory, so the figure of speech paradox is also used here. Then imageries which is used in this poem. The use of imagery is clearly evident in the poem. Eyes dimmed by age sketch the image of old father. Image like fade homeward, grey platform, soggy shirt and pant, describing his father's appearance. Black raincoat stained with mud depicts his father's journey from crowded train. The strong use of all such imagery makes the poem thoroughly appealing. Now, special features of this poem. This dramatic monologue is a symbol of mass isolation from materialistic man-made world. That is a special feature of this poem. Then message, values, morals. कि इसके message, values और morals क्या है? In this poem we will get to know the alienation, isolation, misery experienced by elderly people, especially in cities. Last point is your opinion about the poem. I find this poem a good read as it is highly relevant to the today's world. It indirectly depicts the role of children towards their parents and senior citizen. कि ये poem indirectly हमको हमारा रोल बताती है. How should we treat with our parents? How should we treat the old citizens in our home? I hope you like the explanation of this appreciation of poem. Thank you.